Good guys, being here. Today we're going to model this this geometry. Okay, so let's. So actually, I did a quick one. So this is one I did. So basically, it's quite simple. So it's a model in place mesh, and then apply walls and curtain system onto it, and also it can be uh, adjusted. So it's basically a parametric mass. So let me just show the mass. So and then try to select. So this is a mass. Edit in place. So you will see it's very simple. So 3 profile. So 1, 2, and 3. So not 3 profile, but just profiles on 3 level, and then create this shape. Okay, so okay, so let's do it. So let's do it. So I'll just I'll leave it open in case I I forget how to model it. Okay, so let's create a new project. New project, and we're going to use model in place mass. Okay, so first, so the idea is, so we're going to, so it's like it's a circle. Okay, so it's basically a circle, and we're going to use create a circle and then use a divided path, and then we're going to place an adaptive family onto the path, and then use that as profile, and then so at different levels, so we are going to create another set of profile on this level, and another set of profiles on this level, and all these level, the height, the size of this profile can be adjusted. Okay, so now, so let's do it. So first, I'm going to just model in place and mass. Okay, and first I'm going to place a point. So here, so this is a point, and this will be the so the base of the first circle. So now we have this point. So we're going to place a circle, so which is a reference line. So reference circle, draw our plane, set our plane, pick this horizontal work plane of this point. So tab, this. Okay, so and then place it roughly something like this. Okay, so now this is one reference line circle, and then select this circle, and we can use divided path, and then we can type in a number. So for example 12. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 points on this circle. So we can then place adaptive family on these nodes. Okay, so now we need to create an adaptive family, which is if we look at this one. So I'll show you what it looks like. It's a little bit hard to pick that. Maybe let me just select all the wall and HH. Okay, so we need to go into the mask, so we can select. So this is it. So this is the profile. So you will see this shape. Okay. So now we just need to create an adaptive family in which have this model. They need to be model lines. Okay. So let's go back to here. Oh, good. And then we just need to create a new family. It will be generic model adaptive. Okay. So in this family, we need 2 points, and make them adaptive, create a spline, make it reference line. Okay, so now we need to place a point, draw on face, and place it on this line. So actually we need two. So, and then from this point, we're going to offset it. Okay, so create another point, offset from this point. So draw point, draw on face, oh, sorry. Point, draw on work plane, set work plane, and pick the vertical work plane. Okay, so and then place it on this point, and then OK. So now select this point. So for this one, I think I want it to go this way. Okay, and also you can adjust the point along this reference line. Then we need another one. Point, draw on work plane, set work plane, vertical, and place it on the point. Select this point, go that way. So now we can select the point, spline, select point, spline, and select the point, spline. So this will be the profile. And also you can, if you want to, you can also, so this one normalize the curve parameter. So you can even set a parameter to it. So you can adjust them after you load this into that mesh. But I'm just going to leave it for now. And also this, oh hang on, did I just click Control Z? I think, yeah, oh good. So make sure you only move this point, not directly move them. Okay, so and another setting. So because currently this is a fixed number, so this one, the offset, and same this one. So even if you move this, so you will see this distance will not change. Okay, so what we want to do is we want this offset change with the distance between point 1 and point 2. So we just need to create a reporting parameter. So dimension, set, pick this work plane, di, pick point 1 and point 2. So, and then we can create. So let me change the scale so we can see the, yeah, that's better. So select the dimension and create, I'll just call it RPay reporting parameter. So make sure you check this box. So this is a reporting parameter. So now we can select this point. So see offset. So I'm going to call it offset 1. Okay, so instance and OK and OK. And then this point will be offset 2 of fs2 instance OK and OK. So now actually first I want to roughly adjust them, so to make them a little bit interesting, or I don't know, maybe something like this. Okay, so and then we go to family types. So roughly I get because the reporting currently is about 10, so negative, so we can roughly, so reporting times negative 0.25, something like that. So right, and this one can be reporting times 0.1512. Yep. Oh, good. So apply. Okay. So now if I move the point 2, you will see this the shape of this will not change. Only it will change the overall scale. Okay. So which means the offset will change according to the dimension between 0.1 and 2. Okay, so this is it's all good. So now we can load this into here. Okay, so what's the name? Project 2. So let's load this into project 2. Okay, so now we can place it, right? So we can place it here to here. Oh, looks like something's not right. So let's have a look in 3D view. Oh, it's vertical. That's fine. So we just need to go back because when we draw this adaptive family, so it's supposed to be horizontal. So if we wanted to keep the orientation, so just check this one, always vertical. Load this back. Okay, overwrite. So now it disappeared. Don't worry. Just place another one somewhere. Delete. All good. Go to 3D view. So now you will see it's horizontal, and then you can because they are these because it's placed onto these nodes, so you can repeat. So then this is it. So this will be the first the base of that shape, that geometry, that massing, and then we just need to copy them. So let's go to front. So actually, I'm just going to copy a little bit up, so to make it easier for us to create this massing. Okay, so now we can create the start to create a form. Hang on, what's that? So oh, it seems we can't just tab and select them and create a form. So there's no create form option. So I think we probably just need to remove repeater. Okay, so now let's once again select them. So this time you'll see this create form. Okay, so you can create a form and then create this and this. So what I'm going to do now is actually I'll just quickly create all these form, and then so I can show you. So this is actually we need to do something to twist this shape. So but the currently this circle, it will not work. I just want to show you what will happen if we try to twist it. Okay, so all done. All the surface, all this form, all this surface is being created, and then we can just go to the front. So for example, I'll just move. So now you only need to move the point. Okay, so because everything's being placed onto the point. So if, for example, if I move this point up to here, so you will see the whole the mass, all this surface will follow the point. Same. Okay, so this point. So make sure it's the point. It's not the nodes. Yeah, it's this one. So, see, you can make it curved. And then let me Control Z. I don't want it to be curved. Okay, so this one. So I want to change the size of this one. So you can, when you select this one, just be careful because if you don't use tab, you will select the divided path. You won't be able to change the size. In order to change the size, you need to tab and select the reference line, the circle itself. Okay, so for this one, you can type in a number to create. Oh, that's too crazy. Oh, that's too small. Sorry, 12 meter. So this. Let me change it to shade. Yeah, slightly better. Shade SD. Yeah. So now, what we want to do is we want to twist it, right? And although this, if you select this point, there's a rotation angle here. Although there's a rotation angle here, it won't work. So for example, I'll show you. So if I type in 90 degree, doesn't work. 45, 10. So doesn't work. So we need to It's actually, I think it's a little trick because I just figure out how we can make it work. Okay, so first I'll just delete this. I'm going to just do it again, and I'll delete these two as well. For this one, I'm going to delete the divided path as well, so only the circle left, right, with the point. So in order to make it rotatable, I found that we can do this. Split this, okay, and then just split another one. Oh, hang on. So this is 12, and that's okay. Maybe, hang on, let me just TL. I'll make it even shorter. So I'll SL. Okay. And I'll delete this one. And then I'll try to, maybe I just drag this. Oh, no, can't do that. So, sorry, let's do it again. SL1 and 2. So to create a very little tiny 0.9, that's fine. So delete it. So instead of a circle, so we're going to use it's actually an arc, right? An arc. It's not a circle. And then select this arc and use divider path. And let's have a look. So give it a number 12, and I think that's good. So now what we can place that adaptive family onto the nodes again. Select this, repeat, and you will see it looks like exactly the same. So only there's a little gap, 0.9 millimeter gap there. And with these ones, so if we rotate, it actually rotate. Okay, so now we can select it. Right? Don't worry about this. Just select this, select everything. I'll just copy this up. So now I'm going to select this repeater and remove repeater. Select this, create a form. So I'll just actually I'm going to select this form, select this, and IC. So it's easier to select everything, select all these profiles. Okay, almost last one. Okay, so now this is it. So now we just need to go HR. Now we can select the point. So, and well, I'll just move this up to there and select this point roughly in the middle. Okay, and then we can select this circle, not this one, tab, circle, not circle, arc. It's actually an arc. Okay, so but you can also change the radius, right? And now we can rotate this, so 45 degree, 90 degree. So if you want a little bit more, 150 maybe, and 150 to 75, yeah, something like that. Okay, so and next we can you can place walls and curtain system on it. So let's do it. So finish mass, wall, architecture, wall by face. So I'm going to just use a generic wall. So let's have a look. wall, solid curtain. Okay. Oops, wrong one. This one. So solid. Oh, hang on. Wall by face. Solid curtain. Solid curtain. Solid curtain. Solid curtain. Solid curtain. Solid curtain. Okay, hold on. And we need a curtain system for these. So curtain system, I'm going to place one because I know we need to do some setting, right? So maybe just add some curtain mullions. Control C, Control V. Okay, so and I think all good. I'll just leave it for now. Yeah. So and then we can continue. So CS create similar, and then you can pick all these and create them together. Yeah, all good. Create a system, and then that's it. So and then if you go here and hide the mask, still there. Let's try VV mask uncheck. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So show the mask, and if for example, if I want to change the dimension, or so you can still go back and select this mask. So for example, I wanted to increase the size at the top, and if also increase this size, yeah. And for example, I want to twist this back to 0 degree. Yeah, we can do that. And also, if we finish mask, and then we can select select all the wall, just update the face. All good, and then select the curtain system, update. And that's it. Okay, so I think there's one I did separately. So yeah, it's this one. Just need to select it. Hang on, let me select it. Yeah, update. Okay, so that's it. So you can go back and hide the mask. And okay, so it's basically parametric. You can adjust the mask quite easily. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will upload this family for you, so you can have a play. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.